Welcome back to my channel. This is another video of IELTS Cambridge 15 test 1 reading passage 1. In the first part we solved the note completion. In the second part we try to solve the true false not given. Question 5 says in the middle age most European knew where the nutmeg was grown. The BOC was the world's first major trading company. Question number 7 says, following the Treaty of Breda, the Dutch had control all the Iceland where nutmeg grew. Now we have to find out the Middle Age European BOC first trading company. Following the Treaty of Breda, Dutch had controlled the Iceland. Nutmeg was highly prized, costly ingredient European cuisine. In the Middle Age, as we find our first keyword, Middle Age, and was the used of flavoring, medicinal and preservative agent. Throughout this period, the Arab were the exclusive importer of the spicy to Europe. They sold nutmeg and the high price the merchant base in the Venice, but they never revealed the exact location of the source of the extremely valuable commodity. In the Middle Ages, the most European knew where nutmeg was grew, as clearly mentioned here, but they never revealed the exact location of the source of the extremely valuable commodity. Question number 5 is fully contrast with the passage. We can decide it's a false. VOC was the first major trading company. This Danish company neighborhood Spain, Portuguese began to subcontrasting. No, there is no VOC. We have to find out VOC. Netherlands, see Dutch. There is no here VOC. As we didn't find our VOC in this passage, our next passage. In the 1602, Dutch merchant founded the VOC. Yes, we find out as VOC Trading Corporation, better known as the Dutch East India Company. By 1617, the VOC was the richest commercial operation in the world. As this is, the company had 50,000 employees worldwide, with the private army of 3,000 men and fleet of 200 ships. Question says the BOC was the world's first major trading company. No any kind of information about first major trading company. Though they have mentioned here the richest, BOC was the richest commercial operation in the world. So there is no information about this in the passage. We can easily decide that it is not given. Answer of 5 is false. Answer of 6 is not given. Then we can easily guess. Answer of 7 would be true, but we are not sure. We need to prove. Okay, so let's find out the Treaty of Breda does control Iceland. Dying the plague, highly contagious and disease. They says about disease here. Disease spread, expand 30 times London. Breda, where is the Breda? The Banda Island, ruled by local sultan, maintaining natural trading policy, avoiding presentation. Portuguese, Spanish, there is no hand here, avoiding. Investment, Dutch brand. Nutmeg, trees, carrying seed, population June, seed, addition. If Iceland grow which does that, then the Iceland run by 3 kilometers after British control. Figuring Iceland does Breda. Yes, Treaty of Breda. We find here Treaty of Breda. Now we'll read this sentence. After the decade of fighting the control of this teeny island, the Dutch and British arrived at a compromise settlement, the Treaty at Breda, in 1667, intent on securing intend on securing their hold over every nutmeg product producing Iceland. The Dutch offered a trade. If the British would give them the island of Run, if the British would give them the island of Run, they would in turn give Britain in distance and much less valuable island in North America. The British agreed. Okay, this is the proof they can rule it again because they just exchange this Iceland with North American Iceland. So we can decide it it's a treaty of Breda. The Dutch has control because they exchange their Iceland of Breda with the Iceland of North America. So it's a true.